everyone, welcome back to my channel. Cold noodles have been recorded in the historical materials of the Tang Dynasty in China. At first, they were eaten when court officials gathered, and then spread from the court to folk. Today's recipe is cold noodles with sesame sauce, called 麻酱凉面. For people living in Beijing, summer happiness is to eat a bowl of cold noodles with sesame sauce. Let's get started. Prepare 150 grams of noodles, which are bought ready-made. Then get 3 tablespoons of sesame paste, which is the must-have sauce seasoning. Also need 3 tablespoons of water. Mix the sesame paste with water. Add water in batches. Do not add too much at one time. This step requires patience. Combine well, set aside. Shred 2 grams of cucumber and mince 3 cloves of garlic with a knife. Look at the other seasonings for sauce. 1 teaspoon of cooked sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 3 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add them to the sesame sauce, except boil the cooked sesame seeds. Top with chopped garlic and cooked sesame seeds. Also need to make pepper oil. Add 1/2 tablespoon of peppercorn to 3 tablespoons of oil. Heat on low heat until the peppercorns just start to char. Pour over the mixed sauce. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil. Boiling the noodles for 2 to 3 minutes. Never cook for too long. Let the boiled noodles go through cold water. Transfer to a big bowl. Add shredded cucumber, spiced sauce. Mix well. It's ready to serve. For those who like spicy, chili oil is also a good seasoning. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.